How to check TD Bank account number. Now, there are multiple ways on trying to locate your TD Bank account number. First things first is through your bank check. This is going to be the example of a checking bank account. Now, if this is your checking bank account, your account number will be right side of your routing number, which is this one right here. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can just simply log into your TD Bank account and then you'll just have to go to my accounts and then on your dashboard, your account number should be visible right there. Now, the next thing that you can do where you can find your account number is through your bank statement. If you open up your account and then requested for a bank statement, it's gonna be there. It's actually located at the first portion of the paper or through the PDF file. It's beyond or it's categorizes as the general informations on your bank statement. So that's it. Those are the things where you can check your TD Bank account number.